Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal with American Express Platinum Card step by step clearly. To use your American Express Platinum Card with PayPal, first, open the PayPal app or website. Log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. In the Wallet section, look for the option to link a new card. Select Link a debit or credit card from the options provided. You will see a form for entering your card details. Enter your American Express Platinum Card number in the designated field. Fill in the expiration date and the security code found on the back of your card. Complete any additional information requested, such as the billing address associated with the card. After entering your details, click Link Card to proceed. Your PayPal account will now attempt to verify the American Express card. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation that your card has been successfully added. You can now set your American Express Platinum Card as your preferred payment method in PayPal. To do this, go back to the Wallet section. Find your newly added American Express card in the list of payment methods. Select the option to make it your primary payment method. Now, whenever you make a purchase through PayPal, your American Express Platinum Card will be used by default. You have successfully linked your American Express Platinum Card to your PayPal account. You're now ready to enjoy seamless transactions using your PayPal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.